How to watch somebody's Facebook story without them knowing that you've watched it. In this short video, I'm going to show you a few ways how to watch somebody's Facebook story without them knowing that you've actually watched it. Okay, so the first way you can do this is once you're in the Facebook app, if you turn on airplane mode, just swipe down and then click on the airplane. Wait until that's on. Then refresh the page. Next, click on one of the stories and you can now watch this story, and because you're not connected to the internet, it won't be able to register that you're actually watching their story. So that's one way. Another way of watching people's stories without them knowing is half swiping on the story. So I'm just going to click on this story here. So this is the story before the story I want to watch. So I want to watch somebody else's story without them knowing. So if I just go onto this story, and then if I just swipe right, you can see their story. So you can actually watch their story there. It's a bit easier if it's a video, it's a bit easier if it's a picture, but if it's a video, then you can just get an idea of what they're posting about. Another way is by blocking them straight away. So you can watch somebody's video or you can watch somebody's story, and then straight away after, if you block that person, it won't show up in their list that you've actually viewed their video. Then after 24 hours, when the story is no longer available, you can then unblock that person and become their friends again. And just the last way that I'll show you how you can do this is, again, if you use the half swipe trick that I showed you before. So if I wanted to watch this story, you can see that this one was posted 6 hours ago. So a good idea would be to watch this in the last few minutes before this story expires, and then they're unlikely to be able to see who watched that story. So find out how long ago the post was posted, then wait till the story is just about to expire, and then watch it. And then the story will expire and they won't be able to see who's been watching their stories. And that's all it takes to view people's stories without them knowing on Facebook. If you found these tips helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if any of these works for you. Thanks for watching.